All right, traders, I hope you guys ended your week on a strong note. Today I had one trade, was green on it, called it pretty nice from pre-market. There wasn't a lot of volume going into today, but we were still able to find that gem in the rough, so I hope you guys learned something. All right, traders, it's Friday. We got about a minute till the market opens. There's not a lot going on right now. I mean, my main watch is really BOXL, VTVT, and ADIL out the gates. On Fridays, a lot of times what happens is there'll just be a continuation play, especially when we're not seeing anything gap up. There's not really anything gapping up, and because of that, I'm thinking, okay, let's go back to what has been working, and I think that's what most people do. They start their Fridays, they just want to end it quick, make some money on a quick morning spike. I think that could be on ADIL, VTVT. One of these two could certainly get it. I'm also watching BOXL. This one came out with some news yesterday, which had it spiking up. It has tough resistance at the 50-day at $2. Also, $2 is very tough on the chart resistance. Came out with a catalyst yesterday. We'll see how volume is on BOXL. I think this could be a sleeper. ADIL, VTVT. Keep our eyes on these for some volume. VTVT is getting a little bit here. 255 is where we had marked off some really good support on it. Yesterday it did crack that trend that we had drawn. It was in a really nice pattern, nice flag here. Cracked that trend, but 255 is going to hold up a solid support on it. I want to see how it's going to react around these levels. Friday, that 250 area served as very good support. On Monday, on Wednesday, on Thursday as well. And with that said, I definitely want to see how we're going to react to that level if we start retracing this move back down to it. Now BOXL, this one is getting some volume. Now this is the one we did have on our watch list today. I'm going to try to pick this up. I'll pull down the chart for you guys. We got the 50-day that's very tough resistance. Also some chart resistance around this level, around $2, 205. 215 is going to serve as some resistance as well because that's after hours resistance right there. I'm going to go ahead and pick up some more shares as it's selling off right here. I'm going to go ahead and sell 400 shares right there. I got 100 left. And what I should have done was waited for this little sell-off right here, a little first-minute pullback. The thing was opening up at 180 and it was just breaking $2. So I thought we were really going to break it on a much stronger note. If we had been moving up like $1 to break something out, of course I'm not going to be buying that breakout. But when we're only 15, 20 cents from breaking out a certain level, I only have 100 shares left on this one. I definitely want to see what it's going to do around these levels. 220 is that magic number. I'm just selling the 100 shares right there. I don't like when it's sitting heavy at 190. You guys will learn that as you continue to trade, but we had two lower shadows right at that 190 level as well, and then it's just sitting on it. When it's just sitting on a support level, it's probably going to crack it. It needs buyers to move in and buy that candle up. Now let me go over real quick how I found this one. BOXL was on the scanners, ISW scanners, Intensity Stock Watch. If you guys want that, there's going to be a link in the description. This is only for everyday trading subscribers. You're going to get it for 30 days for $30. That's an incredible deal. I really want you guys to take advantage of that. But what I did was I found that on the after hour scanner because yesterday this one popped up in the afternoon. And I knew going into today that this could be a sleeper. There was hardly any pre-market volume on it, but it has some news on it. The largest charter school in New York State added their technology to the school. So it had the catalyst. I pulled up the past chart history and it's known to spike. See these spikes in the past? So I really like that as well. So of course that attracted me to this stock as well because some of the other stocks gapping up this morning, such as MBRV and NVAX, these stocks had horrible past chart histories. It immediately turned me off. I didn't even look at the catalyst. The catalyst could have been good, but there was no range. These stocks had huge floats and the past chart history wasn't very good on them. Besides this one, there was three that I mainly highlighted this morning. I said BOXL, ADIL, and VTVT. VTVT, I really wanted to see what this one was going to do around that 255 level. ADIL, I suspected this one could get another morning spike, but it's very overextended. So when this one starts coming on down, it's probably going to start coming on down pretty hard. If we look at the 20-day, we're retesting all these upper shadows. We had these upper shadows here. We retested that yesterday. We tested it today as well, but today we could see this turnaround come back down to the trend, or we could see it continue to move on up, but it's very extended off of the trend line. I know you guys think I'm a genius. It can either go up or it can go down, but I just really want you guys to note that it's off the trend line, pretty extended. Back when it made its first initial spike, it spiked up, hit resistance, back down to trend, spike to trend, spike to trend, spike to trend. We saw another spike, hasn't come back down to the trend yet. And we've retested this area a couple times, so we could see it back down to the trend very soon. But with that being said, It could go up or it could go down. I know you're learning something new here today. But that was my one trade today, guys. This is what I'm focusing on before I go live. Having a plan and sticking to the plan and ending my day. I don't want to just sit here and trade all day. That's where I messed up before. Over traded, revenge traded. I want to have a plan in pre-market and trade that plan. And so far, by doing that, I've been green every single day of this year, as in 3 out of 3. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you Monday.